This herb cleanses the lungs and can cure the flu in 16 hours. Natural remedies can be just as good, or even better, than prescription drugs when considering side effects. Proof of this is a study that compared a Chinese formula made with 12 herbs mixed in small doses, and that managed to cure the common flu in just 16 hours. In comparison, the most commonly used drug for this purpose, oseltamivir, took much longer to have the same effect. Despite being very effective, this Chinese formula takes many ingredients and can be difficult to find all of them. That's why we're going to show you the 5 most powerful and effective herbs to cleanse the lungs and treat the flu, colds, and allergies. The first is rosemary, which contains compounds that help fight the flu, colds, allergies, and asthma attacks. It also acts by eliminating mucus from the airways and strengthening the body's defenses. To relieve flu symptoms, decongest the throat and lungs. Boil rosemary with water and inhale the vapor. Mint contains menthol, a decongestant that helps to eliminate phlegm and mucus. As a result, the herb is seen as a powerful remedy to help treat throat and nose congestion. Drink mint tea frequently to maintain your lung health. Another herb that is very common in the kitchen is oregano, which contains compounds that help cleanse the lungs. It is also a powerful antiviral that helps to fight the flu, colds, and cleanse the lungs. To obtain these benefits, drink oregano leaf tea, adding a teaspoon of the herb to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, strain, sweeten with honey, and drink immediately. Another powerful herb that fights viruses and bacteria is thyme. It is great for treating infections in the respiratory system. Its steam can be inhaled to eliminate secretions from the respiratory tract. Another way to obtain its benefits is by drinking thyme tea, which, because it is very powerful, cannot be consumed in high doses. To prepare a liter of tea, place 2 sprigs of green thyme in boiling water. If you opt for dried herbs, use half. Then let it rest for 10 minutes, sweeten with honey, and drink immediately. Lastly, we cannot forget about eucalyptus. It contains compounds that reduce inflammation, eliminate nasal secretions, and facilitate breathing. These active substances make the plant a complement to strengthen lung health and the immune system. To obtain these benefits, you can consume eucalyptus tea or do steam inhalation. Steep the eucalyptus leaves in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Sweeten with honey and drink immediately, twice a day. We also teach here on the channel a powerful juice to cleanse the lungs, which you can check out by clicking on the video above.